So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can use iPhone iOS emojis in your Android phone like this. So friends, in this video I will tell you two methods by which you can use iPhone iOS emoji in your Android phone. So friends, in our first method, first of all open the themes application. So simply open your themes application in your phone and friends, here tap on fonts option which is available in the fourth site. Tap on this option guys, and here search iOS, and guys as you search iOS then tap on popular first option guys, and friends in this list tap on enter semi bold or roboto bold, and guys as you tap then guys you will get to see option of download, and friends after downloading tap on apply option, and friends as you tap on apply option then restart your phone, and guys as you restart in your phone you will also get to see iOS emojis like this. And friends, in our second method, open any browser and in the browser search Aditya again, and then tap on first website, and guys in this website you have to search iOS, and guys as you search iOS a new page will be open, and guys in this page scroll down your page and then tap on iOS emoji. So simply tap on this page, and guys in this page scroll down your page, and here you will get to see a option of keyboard. So guys simply tap on keyboard option. Here you will get to see option of iOS emoji keyboard. So guys tap on this option and download the iOS emoji keyboard. And friends, as you use the iOS emoji keyboard, you will also get to see iOS emojis in your phone like this. Or friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.